Next is reviews AI, and it's amazing. It's mind blowing. Let's explore the reviews AI. Here you have it. So turn off reviews AI to stop receiving suggestions. Suggestive helps you articulate review responses or automatically sends review responses. Let's select auto responses. Sources would be, so let's say you have Google reviews or Facebook reviews. So whenever you receive a Facebook review, how is reviews AI going to respond? Auto response sent to. So you can select who do you want to respond. So people who gave you 5 stars, who gave you 4 stars or above, 3 stars or above, 2 stars or above, 1 star above, or all of them. Wait time before responding, so you can give a wait time. So let's say 30 minutes. Review footer, review response footer is a thank you. That's all. So let's click on save. And it did what it needs to do. It's automatically going to respond to the reviews based on whatever the reviews were. If the review was good, it's going to reply accordingly, and if the review was bad, it's going to reply accordingly. Reviews link, well, this has nothing to do with reviews AI. SMS review request, so this is more about reputation management and reviews, and nothing much about the review. So let's move on to the next one, and reviews AI is done here.